Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Traders, 9:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, October 7th, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when these videos come out. Click the thumbs up and share the video with your colleagues. This is no joke. It is the Quant Network, and it's big. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below. Let's move into the markets. Okay. So where we at? Quant US dollar still respecting this line. Look, this is a beautiful. This is what the kind of trend you want to see here. It really follows classic trends related to pattern and technical analysis. This is the best of the lines where you can see it has flipped from a resistance line into a proper line of support. Now we got to keep our eye on this, but there's a little bit of concern I have on the Quant to Bitcoin pair. It does not mean I am bearish one bit on this crypto at all. But when we're looking at price action, we had originally drawn this channel. Now, very recently we started dipping below. Doesn't mean the end of the world. In fact, it could have meant that maybe there was another channel that we should have looked at. So I'm going to just zoom out here. I'm going to pull this back and show you what I'm talking about. So this was the trend that we had originally, and we can see it starting to slip through. Now, if I was to redraw it, and I'm going to show you the hocus pocus, which sometimes happens, where it could have just as easily have been this line here. Because you also have multiple lines of support, probably more so than the other channel we had drawn originally. So it's okay that it dripped through. Now, we're talking about the Quant Bitcoin pair here. So, sometimes it's kind of the Quant US dollar is driven by both this pattern plus Bitcoin. So together they make up the Quant US dollar pair. So this channel here could very easily be or actually line of support here could easily be in the works for Quant to Bitcoin. So we're going to continue to monitor this. I'd like to see this thing start coming back up again. And by the way, it's come down sharply, really driven because of the fact, we went from 42.80 all the way up to 45 and change in a heartbeat, such that it was detrimental in many ways to the altcoin to Bitcoin pairs. So Quant Bitcoin is one of the many alt to Bitcoin pairs. So as you can see, this is a negative for altcoins, but now we're starting to see signs of life. We're seeing the Bitcoin dominance pair start coming down again. So I think we're going to see this thing sideways to down. I think Bitcoin levels off a bit, and we get some excitement back into the altcoin market. In the meantime, Bitcoin, we expected this move. This was the move we all knew would happen. Of course, we didn't know exactly. We might see a little bit of a pullback here and then a slow trek up back to 58. I think we're going to kind of be around the 58 range, but we'll see how things play out. I'm pretty sure that I feel pretty confident of this line of support right now. I bought myself some Quant last night. I think it's a great long-term token. Anyway, we'll catch up soon. Take it easy. Bye.